business?
I'm actually the brewmaster at my own bar now.
Congratulations.
You still got that family of yours?
You want to see a photo?
Wow, there they are. Cool.
It is a new show streaming on Apple TV+.
Apple TV Plus.
Which is a half-hour comedy with a capital C, starring Seth and I about a friendship between, obviously a man and a woman, and what that looks like at a different chapter in their lives. So it sort of follows this arc of Sylvia and Will, and they have reunited after having a big falling out in their friendship. It's like a will they, won't they, will they become friends again?
Yeah.
Can they do it? They have a very intense friendship. It's very...
And they're kind of having dueling midlife crises that
Exactly.
are playing out as the show unfolds, basically.
Yes.
As me and Rose also are in real life.
Exactly.
Can't be friends with a girl.
There's lots of famous men and women friends. Laura Dern and Sam Neill in Jurassic Park.
It's honestly just one of the first things I could think of that really comedically explores a male-female platonic friendship. I've made so many movies intensely exploring male-male friendships, and Rose is in several incredible movies intensely exploring female friendships. My wife has made a few of those as well. It's funny because when Harry Met Sally kind of poses the question, but then kind of negates its own answer in some ways. But this idea of what is it like when you are, growing up and becoming adults, and you are very close friends with a man or a woman, and and how does that conflict and tension kind of play out in your lives, and how do other people's projections of how weird that is kind of infringe on that, even if you yourselves don't
Have
view
a
it
problem
as
with
weird.
it. Yeah,
Yeah.
think about it. Yeah.
Break out of your box. Do a little nose candy with us.
Did they have CK back in the day? Just like a mild horse tranquilizer.
It's a horse tranquilizer? What?
You can't blow it out. It's already in the brain.